Top seed starting supplies you need for your garden. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. The top seed starting supplies that you need to start seeds this year. So I'm gonna give you guys the top things that you need. The first thing is you need seeds, and you need good quality seeds. So they have seeds. You can get seeds at Lowe's. I'm here at Lowe's. You can get seeds here at Lowe's. You can get them at Walmart, or you can get them at other retailers and other seed catalogs. But the main thing you need is you need good quality seeds that are gonna come out depending on what you want. They have GMOs, non-GMOs, and they have organic seeds. So all depends on the seeds that you want, or the type of seeds that you want and that you want to grow. So if you want to select your seeds and select the type of seeds based on the areas that you have. The second thing is you want to identify the amount of seeds that you're going to plant. You need for the area that you're going to plant. So after selecting your seeds, the next thing you need is you need soil or starting mix that you're gonna use to start your seeds. So you can buy your seed starting mix like this. If you're gonna start a lot of seeds, you want to get a bigger bag. But if you're not gonna start a lot of seeds, you want to get a smaller bag. The best way to do it, or the cheapest way to do it, is to make your own seed starting mix. I'll put a link in the description below how you can make your own seed starting mix for pennies. But if you don't want to do that, you can buy a seed starting mix like this, or you can buy a bigger bag of seed starting mix. This is the same size bag that I just showed you, and over here you can get different seed size seed starting mix, but all you need is good quality light base seed starting mix like this. That's gonna help the roots germinate much faster, and it's gonna help the plants germinate and grow much better. So the next thing you need for seed starting mix is a container that you're gonna plant it in. You can make your own container. You can recycle containers. I have a link for various recycling containers that I've used before to start seeds, or you can get containers like this. So over here, if you're gonna start your seeds and it's gonna take a long time for them to grow, they're gonna grow very big before you transplant them, you want to get pots like this. If it's not gonna be too long, it's gonna be medium term, and also depending on the type of plants that you're gonna start, you can get a medium size container like these, and these ones are 7 pots containers, and they are $4.97. Or if you're gonna plant a lot of seeds and you're just gonna have to transplant them, you want to get something like this. These ones will give you about 50 pallets, or you can get a tray that gives you more. If you want more, you can get a tray like this. You can get it. So a tray like that will give you more selection. This one gives you 72 cells to plant seeds in them, and you can use a different size. So also, if you want to plant a bigger container, you can use seed trays or mini greenhouses like these to start your seeds, depending on the seeds that you want to start and the quantity that you want to start. So mini greenhouses like this provide an environment where the seeds have good moisture, and it maintains the temperature, and also provides a constant supply of water for the seeds to germinate and to grow with no issues. So that's why sometimes the trays are much better to do. If you have trays already, or you have your pallets already, you can get just the regular trays like these, and just put your containers in them. So the next thing that you need for seed starting is you need to make sure that the containers or the seeds have enough heat. Most seeds need a lot of heat to germinate and to grow and to do well, so you can get a heat mat like this. So this heat mat will provide maintain temperature in the tray of about 70 or 80 degrees for the tray to continue providing that temperature for the seeds to easily germinate and grow. So if you're gonna do a lot of temperature where the temperature in an area where the temperature is not really warm, and you're gonna start it indoors, you want to use a heat mat like this. This will help you germinate, improve the germination of your seeds, and you're able to start your seeds and get good results with your seeds. If you're gonna start your seeds indoors, and you don't have enough sunlight where you're growing your seeds, you need a grow light. You need a good grow light to start your seeds. This will provide enough light for a tray of 72. Will provide enough light for the seedlings to grow and do well. If you don't provide enough sunlight, your seedlings are gonna be leggy, or they might not do well, or they might die. So good light is good. If you have enough light where you're growing, that's fine. If you don't have enough light, you want to make sure you provide your seedlings with good light. And this grow light like this is about $39.98. You might get different prices, different places. I'll see if I can put a link in the description below for some of these items that I'm going through, so that way you can get all you need for your seed starting. Check the description below for my seed starting playlist and other great seed starting videos. Let me know in the comments below what are some of the top items that you use for seed starting, and if you've used any of the ideas or any other ways that you use to save money on starting seeds, and what are your tips and tricks that you've used in the past to start your seeds and get good results. Hopefully this video helps you out. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share with friends and family. Some other people might be interested in a video like this, so please share it. Thanks for watching and happy growing.